All right, well, this is the end of the first week of my trade challenge that I gave myself. So, after listening to Trading in the Zone, I got a handful of ideas, really good thoughts about my mindset um, to start implementing. And so, um, as I've traded this week, I've been journaling with these videos to put my thoughts out in a way that I can do it quickly and as if I was kind of talking to somebody. So it's been good. I've been able to um, kind of dive into the probably the surface level of what is going to be, I think, super helpful as I dig into why I'm taking the trades I'm taking, some of the thoughts I have during trades. When I want to get out early or I want to move my stop, or things that I've kind of tried to, without much success, avoid doing in the past. So um, I've been learning how to trade for a couple of years, 3 years now. I don't know exactly. Um, I haven't given up yet. I haven't run out of money. I'm not blowing the bank, but I'm also not getting anywhere. I'm slowly losing away. So um, as I do this, I'm just gonna keep reviewing. I'm gonna keep thinking about my decisions and why they're happening to get to a place where I'm more consistently successful. So um, I got through 11 trades this week. Um, Probably should have been maybe 9 or 8. Um, as I reviewed and looked at a handful of the things I chose to take trades on, there was a couple that were a little bit FOMO feeling where I wanted to trade again, either because I was worried about missing a move and didn't wait for a setup, or um, where I just didn't really consider why very well. I think I'm excited to get through this experiment of doing 100 trades. Um, and so I'm anxious. I'm excited, but that's not really the best pathway to take. So um, I'll go over real quick just some of the framework with which I'm doing this study. So I have a very small account trading forex. Um, I am risking 1/2 of 1% per trade, um, which in a lot of cases is smaller than what the range for my stop loss allows. So some of them end up being a little bit more, um, kind of in the range of between 0.5% and, looks like my max was 1.4, just because the range is big, and so micro lot is creates too, it just doesn't work. Um, so that's the goal, is risking a small amount. 0.5% is what I have my order entry script set for. So um, I had 3 wins, so that puts me at a uh, percentage of something like 20. What is it? 27% wins. Um, which is, I'm not really worried about that yet. It's not quite enough to be in the profit, but with 3 wins out of 11 trades, puts me down in total R, less than 3 R. Um, so not too bad. I can handle that. I'm going to try to avoid talking specific dollar amounts because that's not super helpful in this study. I'm not trying to actually grow dollar amount. I'm trying to grow consistency. I'm trying to not focus on dollars and just get to where over the course of 100 trades, I am somewhere in the positive, hopefully to help kind of hone in my edge to where I can feel more confident adding some other funds and starting to add income to my family's life. So um, I set up this channel to record my journals as I go. It may be boring, but it's pretty realistic for a dude just learning how to trade in the midst of everything else that happens in my life. So um, maybe I'll get into that more later on in other boring trading times when I can give give more details. I don't know. Maybe my kids will listen to this one day, and I can give them some wisdom from where I'm at, and they can learn a new skill, or somebody else might find it valuable as they attempt also to get into the trading world. So I really like it. I haven't given up. I've gotten frustrated at times. I've made dumb mistakes. I've been successful at times, but nothing consistent. So um, that's where I'm at now. I'm going to have 89 more trades to finish out this experiment. So thanks, Mark Douglas, and the work you did in trading the zone. Um, I think it's going to be revolutionary for my trading personally. So um, I think that's all for now. I'll keep doing reviews at the end of each week. I'll keep doing journal entries as I go to be able to look back on, or like I said, to have my kids or anyone else I might find it helpful. So um, that's all for now. Thanks, YouTube, I guess, for being available for me to put these videos on, so I don't have to store them on my computer. And that's all. Farewell.